We're going to give our thoughts on the Wabamun Provincial Campsite. We spent the last night. We arrived last evening about 6:30. All right, here's our initial thoughts.
Number 1, lots of traffic noise. The highway is obviously very close.
Check-in was easy. It's pretty close to the city of Edmonton, so you're going to get a lot of weekend wallies out. Campsite wasn't very clean either. You come to other provincial campsites and the site has been raked. Picnic table's been brushed off at least. This one hasn't been touched over winter, so that's all. We can clean it ourselves, but just making a note. Well, it wasn't raked. They always rake them. Lots of nature sounds last night. Frogs, coyotes, ducks, loon, but dominated by highway noise. It's ever present. How's it going? Sure thing. Where'd you buy these?
Canadian Tire.
Well done.
What's in here?
What's that?
In this bag.
Oh, green cover?
Are you okay if I roll this out?
Yeah, let's do it.
Is that a bird?
Bro, what else would it be?
I thought something was dying.
Oh, it might be a bird dying, right?
Not yet. My pole is stuck. You can put it in now.
Okay.
Just hold your corner. Don't pull back, please.
Good. Which side do you want?
Like that.
Hang on, I'm out here. Hang on.
Pull that green, the sleeve if you would. Thank you.
Come in.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You let me know when you're ready for the next stage. How do you feel about me pouring you a glass of wine?
That's nice. Please.
Wine or a baby Prosecco?
You decide, whichever.
Baby Prosecco.
Before you get too set up, can you pull this out a bit? Because I need to get
In where? Oh,
in here.
I don't know. Give me a
Just,
second then.
just this corner.
It's so heavy. I gotta take everything down. Give me a second then.
Or I might be able to sneak in. Just leave it. I'll sneak in.
Are you gonna do it? Are you gonna sneak in? Just commit now, because I've lifted the heavy shit off already.
Well, then move it if you've lifted it already. Can you just help me and make sure that that cover is pulled up as high as it goes?
My only thought is last time, can you hear me? Rolled off of the roof, underneath here, caught the seam on the door and hit us in the head.
Something. And maybe this little sheath here wasn't pulled completely and it gave it a little pocket.
But now we're forward. So it's low. Well, we're the first ones of the year, I tell you that.
I can tell by the state of that table. Can you come help me if you have a moment?
Yeah, spread?
Yeah, please. Awesome.
Yeah, you betcha.
Scope off the room over there.
Pretty good, as normal.
Okay, will you help me?
Difference maker,
Big time.
right?
Carry that mattress.
What's that?
Mattress.
You good?
Yeah. Ooh, that Prosecco is nice and chilled.
Oh, is it?
Thank you.
Good. That's probably about as good as it's gonna get.
I think that looks great.
It's restored.
We don't have a tablecloth in one of these bins?
No, we shoot through them.
Oh, wow.
If you ever want to go through the bins with me, you're more than welcome.
No.
Batteries for you in my other pack, just in case.
Thank you.
You're welcome. After all my talk, I packed the shower after all. What will you do?
We'll need that fan tonight. There's no air movement anymore.
Once that sun dips, it'll drop. Laughing at my right hand rope. I thought I was up against it a little bit. Not the easiest fire pit we've ever had to work with.
What did you say?
Not the easiest fire pit we've ever had to work with.
This one? Oh, really?
There's no moving it.
Oh, shoot.
What's up?
I didn't even put the top layer on the bed.
All right. Is it needed?
Well, we're going to be here for 2 nights. I should do it properly.
Let your conscience be your guide.
Do it properly. Those birds sound so fucked up to me.
That was a funk. What? Did you actually?
It's not like you.